Marie Curie 1867-1934. Marie Curie was one of the most remarkable scientists in history, and a true pioneer in modern science. She was born in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland, at a time when women were not encouraged to pursue higher education, especially in science. Despite these limitations, Marie showed exceptional intelligence and determination from a young age. Her early life was shaped by hardship, but also by a strong passion for learning, because women were not allowed to attend university in Poland at that time. Marie moved to Paris to study at the Sorbonne. There, she studied physics and mathematics, and quickly distinguished herself as an outstanding student. In Paris, she met Pierre Curie, a scientist who shared her passion for research. They later married and began working together, forming one of the most famous scientific partnerships in history. Marie Curie is best known for her groundbreaking research on radioactivity, a term she herself introduced. Together with Pierre, she discovered two new elements: polonium, named after her homeland Poland, and radium. Their work revealed that atoms were not indivisible, as previously believed. And this discovery changed the foundation of science. Radioactivity opened new paths in physics, chemistry, and medicine. In 1903, Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, sharing the Nobel Prize in Physics with Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel. After Pierre's tragic death in 1906, Marie continued her research alone while raising two children. Despite personal loss and intense pressure, she refused to give up her scientific work. Her strength and perseverance during this period remain deeply inspiring. In 1911, Marie Curie won a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of new elements and her continued research on radioactivity. She became the first person in history to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. This achievement was extraordinary and remains rare even today. During World War I, Marie Curie applied her scientific knowledge to help others. She developed mobile X-ray units, often called Little Curies, which were used to treat wounded soldiers on the battlefield. She personally trained medical staff and worked near the front lines, showing that science could directly serve humanity. However, Marie Curie's dedication came at a great cost. At that time, the dangers of radiation were not fully understood. Years of exposure to radioactive materials damaged her health. She died in 1934 from a disease related to radiation exposure. Today, Marie Curie is remembered not only as a brilliant scientist, but also as a symbol of perseverance, courage, and equality in science. Her discoveries transformed medicine and technology, and her legacy continues through generations of scientists. Marie Curie proved that curiosity, hard work, and courage can overcome barriers and change the world.